For this video, I'm going to be talking about another transformation called rotation. A term that you want to know while we're talking about rotation is the turn center. So that is the point which the figure is going to rotate around. Now, that turn center can be on the figure. It could be a vertex or some other point on the figure, or it could be off the figure. So it could be somewhere else on the grid, and you're going to rotate around that turn center. All right, so let's look at this shape right here. I'm just going to put my vertices. All right. Okay, so let's say we have this shape. Perfect. And I want to rotate it around this vertex, this location. Okay, so it's going to rotate around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, +8. Okay, so that is going to be its turn center. All right, so what you want to imagine is that you have another Cartesian plane around that turn center, okay? You create almost another 4 quadrants. So if I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees around this turn center. It's going to go from one quadrant to another, okay? So it's going to go into this quadrant in some way. Now, what we're trying to figure out is what will its orientation, what will it look like in that quadrant? So I know that this vertice is right on the turning point. So I know when I rotate it, it's going to stay on that turning point. I can also confirm, that my other vertice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's up 6 from the turning point. So when I rotate this way, I see, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So then I can draw my shape here. So I have my original, I should be using a ruler. I have my original figure, and then image 1, which is a 90-degree clockwise rotation around turning point -8, 8, okay? I can rotate around any vertice of my figure. So let's say I'm going to rotate around this vertice, which will be -8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So again, I imagine I have this Cartesian plane. I've created these 4 quadrants and 90 degrees clockwise. So I'm going to go in this direction. I know that this vertice is on the turn center. Rotate here. And I know that this vertice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down from the turn center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my other vertice. And this vertice here is 1, 2, 3 over from that vertice. 1, 2, 3. And so again, I have my figure and I have image 1, which is a 90-degree clockwise rotation around turn center -8, 14. So that's if a rotation around a turn center that is on the figure, okay? What if it's off the figure? So let's say my figure is here. All right, so my figure is here. And let's say my turn center is here, okay? I'm going to use the same system. I'm going to imagine that I have a Cartesian plane around that turn center. And I've created my 4 quadrants. So if I'm going 90 degrees clockwise, I'm going to end up in this quadrant. 90 degrees counterclockwise, I'm going to end up in this quadrant. So then I have to check the relation to the vertex to that turn center. So I know that to get to this vertex, to get to this turn center from this vertex point, I go right 1, 2, 3 and up 1, 2. Or in reverse, down 2 and left 1, 2, 3. Okay? So then to get in this quadrant, I'm going to do that down 2, 1, 2, and left 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I know that this is this vertice. Okay? This vertice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down, and 1, 2, 3 to the left. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down, 1, 2, 3 to the left. And I can combine these. And then this vertice, I can go from that turn center, but I also have another point of reference here. And I know that it is 1, 2, 3 to the left of this vertice. So I can go 1, 2, 3 to the left of this vertice. So now I have is image 1. This is the original figure. Image 1 around turning point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. So figure 1 is a 90-degree clockwise rotation around turn point 9, 13.